Welcome back, guys. Crypto for Life channel. Today I would like to talk about one of the most powerful trading concept, order flow. Let's dive in. If you have ever wondered how institutional traders move markets, why price seems to hunt the stop losses, or how to find the truly high probabilities entries, then this video is for you. Stick around because by the end you will understand exactly how to use the order flow in your own trading strategy. Order flow is basically the real-time movement of buy and the sell orders in the market. Unlike traditional technical analysis, which looks at the past price action, order flow focuses on what's happening right now, the liquidity, the aggressive buyers and the sellers, and where the next move is most likely headed. But guys, I repeat again, on YouTube you can find just millions top secret strategies, 99% win rate strategy, or some crazy idea which promise you the highest win rate in trading. Guys, everything what you see on YouTube, it's ideas, just the strategies for the back test and the tools to work with and adjust to your trading style and to your strategy. No one strategy, no one tool in the world give you the 100% guarantee so you will be profitable on a distance. So work with money management, with emotion. Why order flow matters and why we should care about it. First of all, the order flows tells you who is control, buyers or sellers. It exposes hidden imbalance and the smart money activity, and it helps you catch precise entries, especially if you missed the first move at support or resistance. Instead of guessing, order flows give you the real-time confirmation. Here's some core principles of order flow. First one is liquidity. Price is attracted to areas with lots of pending buys or sell orders. This liquidity zones acts like magnets. Order types, its market orders consume liquidity and the push price, while limit orders prove support or resistance. Imbalance. Trends from when one side dominates, aggressive buying in an uptrend, aggressive selling in a downtrend. Sweeps and manipulation. Price often hunts liquidity by triggering stop losses, then continues in the original direction. Let's talk about how the order flows works. First of all, we need to identify trend and imbalance. Check if buyers or sellers are clearly in control. Watch for liquidity sweeps. This stop hunts often fool the next leg of the move. Confirm with the context. Always combine order flow with the higher time frame levels like order blocks or breaker zones. Optimal entry zones. If you miss the initial entry, wait for the pullback. The best trades often come from discount in uptrends or premium in downtrends levels. Managing exits. Order flow weakens when imbalance disappears, volume dries up, or liquidity pools are reached. Now, where do we find the most important levels? First of all, we need to pay attention for the high volume areas, where the big orders clusters. Imbalance, zones where aggressive orders tip the scale. Smart money zones like order blocks or breakers. Liquidity pools where stops and the take profit are stake at. And the point of control, POC, the single price level with the most traded volume. These are the battlegrounds where the institutionals step in. The best tools to use to identify the order flows, I can recommend you the footprint charts, show the buy sells volume at each price, depth of market, reveals the order book and liquidity walls, volume profiles, highlight the most traded zones, cumulative delta, CVD, the video about CVD already posted, so this measure the buyers and with the seller aggression. And of course, guys, I recommend you combine all of these tools together when you work with a structure and order flow. Don't rely only on the candles. Order flow is about the real-time data. Don't ignore the high time frame context. Always trade in a sync with the bigger picture. Don't fight the flow. It's usually safer to trade with the active trend. So about the trends, I also post the video. So trend is your friend. Don't try to play against the market, especially on the high time frames. Imagine the price bounces from the support and you miss the entry. Instead of chasing, you just wait. Soon you will see aggressive buyers step in, liquidity gets swept and imbalance builds. That's your confirmation. You enter on the pullback in the discount zone with your stop safely beyond liquidity. That's how professionals use the order flow. Guys, I hope you like this video. In the next videos, I will dive in more order flow strategies. So subscribe channel and don't forget join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.